Sponsored by
PhD MPhil किसी भी विषय में डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन्स ओपन।
In descent of the West, President Putin is anticipated to meet with Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping on Thursday in Beijing. The meeting tends to be low-key in regards to strong agreements, however, will serve as an expression of support for President Putin as he officially starts a new fifth term as President of Russia. Putin's two-day visit will reportedly showcase the two countries' acclaimed no-limits alliance in the midst of the West's concerns about Russia's invasion of Ukraine in 2022. Other than this, discussion about energy and economic cooperation as well as the situation in Ukraine is going to take place as an act of solidarity against the US-led Western system. The meeting is important in light of Russia's recent surge in the Ukraine invasion, with Moscow taking control over at least 7 villages in Ukraine at the latest. In this regard, Russian efforts are currently focused on restoring trade and energy ties with China so that it will help Russia to balance its economic configuration, which has gone down the graph owing to its war in Ukraine. Despite Western sanctions, Russia has emerged as China's primary supplier of crude oil, with shipments to China increasing by more than 24% in 2023. Trade between China and Russia reached a record $240.1 billion in 2023, up 26.3% from the previous year. As sanctions were placed on both China and Russia by the US and its allies, China fortified its military and commercial relations with Russia. Putin's visit to China is his first ever since he took the oath as the Russian president for a record-breaking fifth term. He chose to visit China as his first foreign trip after assuming power in order to bolster its economic ties when the nation has been left isolated on the world stage. Meanwhile, this year also marks the 75th anniversary of establishment of diplomatic relations between China and Russia. However, given India's unsteady relationship with China, mainly since the 2020 Galwan clashes, Russia's shifting diplomatic stance towards China has the potential to change its ties with New Delhi, a fervent partner for Moscow despite its invasion of Ukraine. India is the only nation that has not condemned Russia for its war in Ukraine, the country with whom notably New Delhi shares a warm bilateral relation. Nonetheless, India made sure to convey to its friend that this is not an era of war and has worked significantly to avert the threat of a potential world war from the Russian side. However, an array of factors will shape the relationship, such as how India views and reacts to these developments and the region's overall geopolitical dynamics. India's ability to effectively handle these shifts will depend on its diplomatic involvement and strategic positioning.